Hey guys. Hey YouTube, it's your girl, Lilcutenurse, aka Raquel. What's going on? I've got my April BOXY charm boxing. Yes, it's late. I've been at it. But y'all, I have been sleeping in them dailies. And I did develop the eye also. I'm just going to tell you, my eye was so red, so shut, which is why I have on my glasses now. And I just couldn't do a video with one eye. And I already can't see, so I have been saving everything. Yes, I did get on the bandwagon of that Sephora haul. I've already gotten my stuff. I missed the first round because I don't know how. I thought it ended on Wednesday, but it ended on Tuesday. But either which way, I did get in there and get my little 15% off, which I realized was not a lot. I may have saved $100, but you know, it was not a lot of stuff, so. Okay, anyway, but I'll try to get that up soon. We're just going to be wearing these bifocals because I can't wear my contacts now. Anyway, let's get into this BOXY charm box. I know everybody's is already up. Mine is late. And you guys, somebody might just want to see what I got. And of course, everybody knows that the little card has changed. There's a 10% off code on the back for Tarte. And it's April BOXY. It's good till May 15th, and this VIP offer for DR.BRANDT. Hashtag pores no more access. Oh, it's no money, so at least a 10% off Tarte if there's anything, because I think I want to get me another which I forgot to get in the Sephora haul. Shoot, I'm gonna go look and see if I can get it on sale. There's a lot of stuff on sale at Ulta now, but anyway, let's get in here, y'all. The first thing I got in here is this vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask by DR.BRANDT. Okay, BRANDT, I guess. And this has a $47 value. I haven't used anything out of here, but once I do use this, guys, I'll let you know. This is like the second thing we've got from DR.BRANDT. Second, third, fourth, I don't know, because I know last month it was this luminizer priming base. I haven't used it either. I was just saving up. These are full size products, so if I keep saving stuff out of these boxes, I might have it going on here in a minute. And then I got this Tarte's Pro Glow liquid highlighter. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from a sheer to intense, like a goddess for real. Okay, it's soft and silky. It says you can mix this in with your foundation or just put it on by itself, but I've already got on my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm doing this before work, y'all. It's 4:58 in the morning, which is why I have on scrubs. I was determined to get this up. But yeah, which color did I get? I got Stunner, and this is what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, I ain't know, that's too much right there. That's too much. I better not put that on. I'm gonna be glowing to the gods for real. And then I got what is this? A Desi high definition liquid lipstick. Oh, how much was that Tarte? The Tarte was $29. Yeah, that's too much glow. That's too much glow. Anyway, I got this Desi lipstick, high definition liquid lipstick. It was $24. Luxurious creamy long wearing liquid lipstick. And I don't know. I don't see a shade. It says the last 18 months and they're cruelty free. I've never heard of this company. High definition liquid lipstick. It's a extremely big lipstick. Ooh, I like the doe foot on it. Ooh, I probably shouldn't have put that on. That look a little light on these big hook color. Well, I just say. That's a pretty color. And then the next thing I got is this brow gel. Well, how much was that lipstick? Oh, it's $24. And this is a tinted brow gel from, who is this from? Oh, the Brow Gel. We got some brow powder from them 1 month that I still haven't used. And it looks like I got the shade Light Hair 3. That's what it looks like. Okay. I guess that's the shade. No point opening it, y'all. I got a lot of brow gels open right now. And of course, which ColourPop palette did I get? Thank God I haven't been on the trend of buying all of those palettes. So I did get the Element of Surprise palette. This one I did want. This is just so tiny. So tiny. But this is the one I did want. I had intentions on picking this one up. So, but I never did. So that's a good thing. Nice to get it free in the box. That's what the colors look like. Really pretty. Really springtime-ish. So I will get to play with this. And that's all I got, y'all. So, like I said, sorry this video's up late. I'm probably going to be doing another one because I got my Sephora box too. So if I don't get off too late and my face isn't too toe up when I get off tonight, I may go ahead and record my Sephora box. But yep, that's it. I think I'm going to take this one on to work with me. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. And sorry for the skipped out missing videos. Y'all stay blessed until the next time we meet. Bye. Woo.